How to turn off flashlight notifications on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you go to settings, and in settings, you go to the accessibility section. And once you click on accessibility, you scroll down. And once you're here, you can see the audio/visual tab. All you have to do is press on it. And once you're here, you can see at the bottom there is this option where it says LED flash for alerts. All you have to do is make sure that it is unchecked. So maybe your device has it by default, but if you don't want it to flash LED while there is a notification, for that you'll have to uncheck this option. And once you do this, the LED will now not be flashing when an alert will be incoming. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.